The next question is from Karthik, who's from Hyderabad. He's holding 110 Zomato shares bought at 230 a piece, and he wants to know whether the share will cross the 350 mark by the end of April month next year. And he also wants to know, can he keep holding this from a longer term perspective, or probably sell it off once he achieves his target? Sameer, I'll again come to you for this one. And he's also saying whether he can buy more stocks in this particular space. So I believe he's asking whether he should also invest in Swiggy or not, because both of these stocks are seeing good gains today. So your view on both of these counters?
Okay, so first up, I'm a shareholder in Swiggy, and I'm quite positive on that over the longer term perspective. Why I like both the businesses, I'll tell you, is look, it's eventually a blue sky kind of situation. You have these huge markets in India which are still untapped for food delivery. You have these huge markets in India which are still only getting used to the quick commerce kind of space. At the moment, of course, quick commerce is not making money because there is a bit of discounting to ensure that they are able to get their clientele. But once they are on board, and once people find the ease in doing these businesses and the operations start turning profitable, the profits can go significantly. The problem I have with Zomato is that the valuations have already run up too much. So again, I am also a shareholder in Zomato, but at this point of time, I'm not looking to add. I'm in fact thinking whether I should convert some of my Zomato to Swiggy from this fact that the valuation of Zomato is moved up so much. But I mean, I'm just holding on because I already have Swiggy. But net, if you are a long-term investor, I think these companies can do really, really well over the next 5 years. Is it going to become 350 by April, Zomato? I mean, that is something I really can't comment on because I mean, I wish I knew it was going to become 350. I'd sell everything else I have and just buy this, come back and
Yeah, yeah, I know that is the point. But then a simple question from my end: then would you still be a buy on Swiggy right now at this price?
I'd wait for a correction. It's again it's the discount to Zomato is narrowing, but the discount is going to remain. Now, if I believe that Zomato also is overpriced, then I think Swiggy will also take a little bit longer. Look, at the end of the day, it's still making losses. They're setting up more of these dark stores all over, which will allow them to get the operating leverage, which will allow them to break into profits. They're targeting December 2025. Of course, as the losses keep coming down, maybe people will turn positive. But a lot of the positives that are expected by December 2025 are priced in at this point. So I would say wait for a correction in both of them if you want to add Zomato closer to 200 and Swiggy closer to maybe the issue price. I don't see that happening, but I would say at least if nothing else, maybe 400, 420.